Hey, Kidde here with SERVPRO of Quincy. We got a really cool program going on with the American Red Cross. We're able to install up to 3 free smoke alarms in your home, and there's no charge for the installation either. And they're really good Kidde 10-year lithium powered smoke alarms, and they're really simple to put up. I'll put up the base real quick right back here where the old one was. Just that quick. And then on our smoke alarm, we're able to put the date that we installed, 3/25/18, and it's good for 10 years, so March of 2029. Put the smoke alarm up, click it in, you'll hear it beep. It's activated. Now we'll test it. We'll hear what happens. That'll wake you up. So, if you need smoke alarms in your home, or you know somebody that does, please give us a call. Call us at the number you'll see after this, 217-223-2993, or call me at 217-440-8687. Get you scheduled for an install and get your home safe and protected. Give us a call today. Thanks a lot.